Hey guys, I'm JV Charles with Garden Josiah. We've put together a really cool video on building tree houses. Check it out. I hope you enjoy it. Who doesn't love tree houses, right? And remember, if you haven't been to 7-Eleven or Walmart to pick up your Mr. Beast Feastables yet, you need to do it because it is the best chocolate in the world. I swear. Thanks.
Hey everyone, welcome to our treehouse build. To start, we need the perfect tree, strong, healthy, and tall enough for our dream design. Now that we've found our ideal tree, it's time to plan the design and start the build. We'll cover everything from safety tips to construction techniques. Stick with us for all the details and get ready to create something amazing. With our design in hand, it's time for one of the most crucial steps: precise wood cutting. Accurate cuts ensure a snug fit and strong structure for our treehouse. Using the drill machine to securely fit the frame to the tree, ensuring a stable and sturdy structure. When cutting into the tree to fit the structure, always apply liquid bark to help the tree heal and prevent damage. It helps the tree heal and supports healthy growth. Quick pause. If you're enjoying the video, hit subscribe to join Garden Josiah. Your support means a lot and keeps the content coming. When measuring the wood, our builder's checking if he can fit comfortably in the treehouse, using himself as a human measuring tool. It's all about ensuring the perfect fit. Building the floor, keeping in mind the precise measurements, we use tools and drills to cut and fit the wood perfectly, ensuring a strong and level base for the treehouse. With the floor complete, we'll now build the support structure from below to keep it secure and stable. This added support prevents the treehouse from shifting and maintains its safety and strength. This part also requires precise cutting and fitting. Proper alignment and secure attachment are key to maintaining the treehouse's integrity. Don't forget to apply liquid bark to the screws. This helps protect the tree and promotes healthy growth. With the completion of our tree support, it's time to paint. Adding a fresh coat of paint not only enhances the treehouse's appearance, but also provides extra protection against the elements. After painting the floor structure, we proceed to fill the floor with wood. Each board is carefully placed and secured with a precise drill to ensure strength and accuracy. We then install the door, carefully fastening it with screws to ensure a smooth and reliable operation. With the floor complete, we apply a durable paint to protect and enhance the wood's appearance. For the walls, the wooden framework is set up to form the base and provide essential support. Next, sturdy wooden beams are added to reinforce the structure, ensuring the walls are strong and stable. Wooden beams are securely punched into the floor, creating a strong foundation. This ensures that the structure is firmly anchored and ready to support the walls and roof of the treehouse. With the wall framework up on one side, additional supports are added to reinforce each section, ensuring the entire structure is strong and stable. Each wall is precisely aligned and secured, preparing the framework for the next stages. With the wall framework in place, we apply a protective coat of paint to seal and preserve the wood, ensuring durability as the construction progresses. We used pre-cut wooden boards for cladding, painting each piece for added protection. Wooden beams were secured along the edges for safety, and the walls were filled, creating a sturdy and finished exterior. After filling the walls, we installed the window frame, carefully securing it into place. This addition not only allows natural light to fill the treehouse, but also adds a functional and aesthetic element to the structure. Once the windows were installed, we framed them with solid wood to secure them in place and improve insulation. We also added corner supports to strengthen the structure, ensuring the treehouse is both stable and visually complete. all the previous steps completed, it's time to focus on the final and most crucial stage, building the roof. To start, we lay down a waterproof tarp over the top of the structure. This tarp serves as the first line of defense against rain and moisture, ensuring that the interior of the treehouse remains dry and well protected from the elements. With the exterior of the treehouse now complete, your new retreat is ready for the finishing touches. Before moving on to the interior, take some time to clean out any remaining debris and ensure the space is tidy. For the interior, consider adding cozy seating like cushions or beanbags, string lights for a warm atmosphere, and some shelves for storage. You can bring nature indoors with potted plants or hanging greenery. Personalize the space with simple DIY projects, such as custom wall art or handmade curtains. The goal is to make the treehouse a reflection of your creativity and a special hideaway that's uniquely yours. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Garden Josiah, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content.